Jamaican? First time you come into here?
First time you come in Amsterdam, my name is Vivi Fazila Hani. You get a lot of different pastries.
Yeah.
You get like pint tart, black eye, cheese roll. You have sponge cake. You have the fruit cake. You have black cake.
Yeah.
You have the milk cake.
Milk cake.
Yeah, you have the milk cake there.
This is the
Okay.
milk cake?
The black
I'm going
and the
to.
fruits.
Okay.
Okay.
Right? Then you also have pinwheel. You have the pizza.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you have the food like you have cook-up. You have fish curry. You have chicken curry.
I want to try the cakes today.
Then you get the egg bar. Then you have kalori. You have chana. Then you just get like bigani,
Yeah.
chicken burger, fish burger, cassava ball.
Yeah.
Also you have the cupcake.
Okay.
Also you have them pancakes at the bottom.
Oh, sorry.
Like who want by
Oh,
one,
like the whole cake.
pan.